In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Privacy. Then select Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. Then select one of your apps under one of those options, allowed or not allowed. Lastly, click on the best option for you to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my device's clock just gained access to this device's camera. You can always select any feature and then after tapping on an app, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!